We got this electric griddle from Will, and today we are going to use it to make a pancake. Now I'm going to open it. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the right way. And here we go. Which side is from? Okay, this side is up. This the way. Okay, looks really nice. This side hook to power. I think this should be done this way. Okay, here we go. Yeah, here controls the temperature, and later we're going to hook this to the power over there. First, we needed to make a pancake mix. The griddle is ready. We preheated the griddle. We set the temperature to 350, and here's a pancake mix. At the end, you will see the easy recipe. Okay, now let's make a pancake. This is the first time we use this, and let's see the experiment. 1. This grid can make a lot of pancakes at the same time. 2. Okay, probably I just want to make a 3. 3. Okay, we did not put oil on the surface. It's not needed. Start to bubble. Looks really nice. This is much better than regular pan because it's a flat. Not quite sure when I should flip over. You guys give any suggestions?
Wait until it's almost solid on the surface.
I think
Okay.
it's when the bubbles stop popping.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
I have 2 advisors here. I think now probably it's ready.
Yeah, the bubbles stopped on that one mostly.
Okay, here we go. Flip. Oh, okay. Maybe we can
A little longer.
a little longer, right? Yeah. But this looks really nice. This one you think you're ready? Okay, let's see. Oh,
Also too early.
I think we need to wait until this one brown a little bit better.
yeah, we can flip back. This is the first time we use this. Okay. Okay, the pancake is done. And looks really, really nice.